Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how you can find the category ID for your categories on your WordPress website. There might be a number of reasons you need to do this. Maybe you're programming something or whatever, but it's pretty simple, although they don't make it simple. And so what you want to do is go to your WordPress admin, head over to Posts, Categories, like we are here, and you want to go over to the category that you want to find the ID of. So let's say this one. And when you hover over it, you'll notice in the bottom left a link comes up, and right now it's to my website, COD Competitive. And if you look at the link, you'll see it ends in term.php taxonomy equals category and tag ID equals, and there should be a number there. For me, it's 4. For you, it might be something different, but that number there is your category ID. So this one's 4, and if we go down to the next one, we'll see this is 5. Now, if you don't have this pop up, like on my laptop, on my Mac, this doesn't pop up when I hover over. You can right-click the category, copy the link address. You can paste it in Notepad or wherever, and this is the link, and you'll find that category ID right here. And again, this is 4. Yours might be something different. If this helped you, please drop a like, leave a comment, and thank you guys so much. Have a great day.